mienu na famu ehwere wonum enkwa na osoja ne bi kra ne ne yere eka ho bi aje se omo mu wuye no na ayade a wo nso eka ho bi ani nyina no ekoyare husam kase pa ewo enkran na afen so man mu afana nyina ne no na osoafo sha ahonidie ensam so ma Miss Cecilia abnada pade atodwasa ban eye adwumade se de be ya owu a etayi ni ti wa bra ensuo ato anampo ensuo ayiri ewo memu no aban betumi e de esi anokwan.
The government is committed to implement short and medium-term measures to mitigate the impacts of floods on lives, farmlands and property within the wide Volta Basin due to heavy rainfall both in Ghana and Burkina Faso and spillage from the Badri Reservoir in Burkina Faso. As part of the processes, the President set up the interministerial committee made up of the Ministry of Sanitation, Water Resources, Environment, Science, Technology and Innovation, and the Ministry of Agriculture. And this task force is chaired by the Ministry of Food and Agriculture with inputs from NADMO. Key activities to be undertaken include, among others, the dredging of the 3 legs of the confluences of the Kalpon, Sicily, Nasia, Nabobo tributaries, joining the main White Volta channels. This is between 2 and 5 kilometers. We are to desilt and drain the meandering sections between the confluence of the Red Volta and downstream a bit of the Olugu Bridge. His Excellency gave a vow that people should never die from these floods, and he has given us the money to undertake this project. We all know and we are all ready to clean the environment. Let us clean it. The few who flout the bylaws must be dealt with mercilessly, without fear or favor.
Yeto e kase bono so na ensuto na yiri na seniama edu ba bia na